Well, whatever I sing, that's what I really mean. Like I'm singing a song. I don't sing it if I don't mean it.
It looks like Rolling Stone is back on their BS. Rolling Stone ranks Michael Jackson as the 86th greatest singer of all time. Rolling Stone want to know why. Why? 86? There's no way you rank Michael Jackson 86 and you thought to yourself, this is a serious ranking that we're placing for the king of pop. There's no way you can ignore the legacy and impact Michael Jackson made globally. It's obvious by now this is intentional. Blatant disrespect. This man wasn't just an incredible dancer, a phenomenal songwriter, a sensational entertainer. He was a perfectionist, and he cared about being a great vocalist. Michael Jackson had one of the most iconic voices of all time. His story, his career is the American dream, a powerful pop culture icon. No matter what the world threw at him, he proved time and after time again that his legacy was cemented. To rank Michael Jackson 86 on the list, Rolling Stone, you have to be culturally incompetent. You see, the most effective way to destroy a person is to try to erase their history, and they can't. You see, when you hear songs like Heal the World and Earth Song, people find it hard to believe that a man had so much true planetary well-being, had so much empathy for humanity and other living creatures. His music connected with love. See, the message always gonna resonate to heal the world and make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. When you hear words like that, you have faith in humanity, and you know that music has never lost its soul when it's timeless. I'm hoping the biopic can pay tribute to Michael's life in a way where the next generation can truly see the message that he was conveying in his music and the legacy he wanted to leave behind. I'm hopeful for the release of the film Michael, and that John Logan's pen can write something that's, fitting for the king of pop. Something the family and the fans could look at and see that it's well deserved. My girlfriend took me to see the MJ musical for my birthday, and seeing it, I was blown away. Miles Frost and the rest of the cast did an amazing job. You got to look deep inside the man that the tabloids and the media was trying to tear down. Even in the midst of his persecution from the media and the tabloids, he still gave his fans the best performances that they will remember for the rest of their lives. So no matter if Rolling Stone ranks Michael Jackson number 86, if they want to be spiteful, the king will reign victorious. If you're feeling this video, check out many others. Subscribe to the Junior Network, hit the notification bell, and hit that like button.